World first 200 watt of fast wide charging and 150 watt of wireless charging has just been revealed. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So Xiaomi has stepped up the charging game by unleashing a brand new charging solution which can apparently juice up your phone in a matter of minutes. Xiaomi has called this new technology the HyperCharge, and it's got both wired and wireless variants. The wired method has the ability to charge a 4000 mAh battery phone at a rate of 200 watts, and according to the Chinese manufacturer, the wireless charging has a rate of up to 120 watt. To put this in perspective, the iPhone 12 Pro Max supports only 15 watt for wireless charging. So if we have a 200 watt and 150 watt of charging capabilities, naturally there is a question arises in our brain that how the HyperCharge actually charge your phone. To answer the burning question, Xiaomi has posted a video for the official Twitter account, and the clip demonstrates a custom-made Mi 11 device which is coming with a 4000 mAh of battery, and it is hooked with a HyperCharge rig for wired charging. And basically the wired charging can charge your device in just 7 minutes and 56 seconds, and the wireless charging can charge your device in 15 minutes from 0 to 100%, which is crazily amazing, which we have ever seen for a charging device. So as this is going to be a demonstration, it's worth repeating that Xiaomi HyperCharge is not yet available in the smartphone market, as none of the devices out there today are built to support it. Naturally, there is a concern that such a high speed of charging will have the overheating and rapid degradation of battery health will be arriving. We are looking forward to finding out more details about the technology behind the HyperCharge, which I suspect that will involve at least two separate charging batteries in order to support such speed. So this is going to be a crazy level of charging speed, and technology has been advanced so much that we have a 200 watt of fast wired and 150 watt of wired wireless charging is available. Anyhow, moving on towards the next leak, Samsung next ultra cheap Galaxy A series phone leaks with specs and all its render images has been leaked courtesy to 91 Mobiles. According to the leak, we have the Galaxy A03 as render images has been arrived, and basically the render images are going to be pretty much similar to the Galaxy A02, as it's coming with similar 6.5 inch of Infinity V display with a notch, and there is a triple camera setup on the back, reportedly coming with a 13 megapixel of a camera and 2 megapixel of a sensor. The main important thing which is going to be coming inside the upcoming A03 as that it is coming with a fingerprint sensor on the side, and along with that it is also going to be supported by USB-C type. Rest of the spec sheet are going to be similar with the Galaxy A02s. Last but not the least, Samsung fans' next favorite Snapdragon chips get benchmarked. According to this new benchmark that has been arrived for the Snapdragon Triple 8 Plus chipset, which is spotted on the Geekbench website, revealing a slightly higher clock speed for its faster core. The X1 performance core will be overclocked version of the Snapdragon Triple 8, and we will see a 3 GHz of clock speed at Snapdragon Triple 8 Plus chipset. It's going to be a chipset that is going to be available in the second half of the year's flagship level devices, particularly the foldable devices like the Galaxy Fold 3, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 are coming with similar kind of processor in terms of countries like US, Canada and China, where rest of the world is going to be coming with an Exynos chipset which we didn't know. So overall, actually I am pretty much excited for the upcoming 200 watt of fast wide charging and wireless charge coming and available sooner or later this year. So this is going to be a crazy level of charging speed which is coming inside the devices in future. I am pretty much excited about that technology. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.